In today's this video we will learn how to interpret the result and how to run the independent sample t-test. These tests are used when you are interested in a single variable across the different groups. For example, if you are interested to find out the job satisfaction level across the gender, whether the job satisfaction level among the male and female is same or the score is different. For another example, like for example, if we want to test that the lung cancer among the smokers and non-smokers, these cases are same on average or these are the different. Similarly, in classroom we can check out the marks score among the male and female. This test will make us able to test statistically whether the marks of the score among the male and female on average it is same or these are different. Hypothesis will develop in this way. The null hypothesis show that two samples have equal mean on same variable, means the male and female on average have a same score. The alternate hypothesis mean will be as that the two samples have not equal mean on same variable. In this case, for example, we are looking that the score of the male and female, these are say on average these are same or not. So alternate hypothesis that these are not equal. This is the criteria of the result which we'll later discuss. Let's first discuss how to test it. Look, and this is the data we have collected from 80 different participants. Among these 80, some are male and some are female. We have defined it in a gender that by one we mean male and by two we mean a female. Now you can see by one we means male and by two we means a female. So now we are going to test whether the marks on average are same across the gender or not. We're going to analyze, compare mean, independent sample t-test. Because these groups are independent, when the two groups are too different on the basis of some different characteristics. Okay, in first box we are supposed to select your target variable or your dependent variable, which is marks. On the basis of marks we want to see the differentiation, and in group variable you will select that particular group. Okay, then it is asking to define the group. What do you mean by this group? In group 1 I am categorizing it in 1 and 2, because for 1 we mean male and for 2 we mean female. Continue it. Now click the OK. So these are the result of the independent sample t-test. You can see that the M means male. Number of males are 41 in this data and number of females are 39. Total these are 80. The average score of the male is 40 while the average score of the female is 79, which clearly show that there is the difference. Now come to the independent sample t-test table. First of all you are supposed to consider whether this is significant or not. If this is the insignificant, then you are supposed to consider the first row. Now you can see the p-value, the significance value, which is called the p-value. If this is less than 0.05, if the p-value is less than 0.05, it means you are supposed to consider the alternate hypothesis, and the alternate hypothesis is that the two samples have not equal mean on same variable, means that the male and female does not have same score. So in this case H in alternate hypothesis is accepted while the H naught is not rejected. So some of the researchers used to report the t-value. The rule of thumb is if t-value is greater than 2, it shows that the data is statistically significant, means that again you can say that the HA alternative hypothesis is accept it, because when this is significant, then we reject the null hypothesis. Hopefully you got this point. Thank you.